Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Messenger sound not coming, or like the notifications are not coming on your phone if you are using Messenger, or like you are facing this issue. So I can show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account, and there you will see your chats box over here. So if you didn't find any option over here, so you have to do is click on the main menu at the bottom right corner and then go to settings, and then you have to simply scroll up, and as you can see over here, notification and sound. In this you will see beside this muted option over here. So that's why I'm not getting any notification or the sound. So you have to simply do is click on that and then open it up, and you will see over here a bunch of options over here. So as you can see on the top, you will see do not disturb mode over here. So it's like turn on, so I want to turn it off to get notification on my phone if my friends chat with me, or like they send me a message, I can't get any notification of that message. So that's why I'm not getting any notification. So you have to do is click on that toggle to turn off, and then it's gonna be like whenever they send you a message, or like anything they want to share with you on the messenger, it's gonna be like notified you. So that's it, that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, have a nice day, bye bye.